We are solving the lead code problem. Valid parenthesis. Valid parenthesis. This is the problem number 20. A given string is containing the just the characters left parenthesis, right parenthesis, left square bracket, right square bracket, curly braces, and these are the left square bracket and right square bracket. Determine the input string is valid. Okay, the string is valid if the open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket. Open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Right. See this one here. They give the simple example here. S equals to there is a open parenthesis and there is a closed parenthesis here. Yes, it has been a valid here. That's why the answer is a true value. Come to second one here. Open and the close. And this is the open square bracket and the closed square bracket. Open left brace and close left brace here. Yes, all these are the valid only. Why? Because there is a open and there is a close here. Okay. The answer is a true value. Come to this one here. There is a open left parenthesis, but there is a closed right square bracket here. That's why the answer is a false value. Okay. If these are not matching, then the answer becomes as a false value. Okay. Let's come to this one here. Left parenthesis and left square bracket, right square bracket and the right parenthesis here. Yes, there is a open and there is a close. There is a open and there is a close here. Whenever there are the open and closes are printed in the same order, then the answer is a true value here. Then the answer is a true value. They are clearly saying that the open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket only. If it is a square bracket, it must be closed by square bracket only. If it is a left parenthesis, it must be closed by the left parenthesis only. If it is a curly brace, it must close by the curly brace only. That is the first condition. The open brackets must be closed in the correct order only. Okay, whatever the order you are given, in that order only the brackets can be closed here. Okay, that is second condition. The third one is every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type here. Whenever you wrote the closed bracket here, it must be the same type of the open bracket only, like this one. Open and close, open, close, open, close, like this one. That is the third condition. Okay. Right. Here I wrote the code like this one. Uh, First of all, I am declaring the one list here. The list name is the stack. Okay. I am creating the a list. The list name is the stack. This is the stack. And after that, I am creating one dictionary. The dictionary name is the mapping here. The dictionary name is the mapping. The dictionary name is the mapping. This dictionary contains the open brace and the closed brace. It contains the first key is the right parenthesis, left parenthesis, left parenthesis. Okay. We are having the data like this one. We are having the data like this. Its meaning is this is called as the key, and this is called as a value. Key, value, key, and the value. Okay. Here I am taking the keys as a close brackets here. Okay. I am taking the values as a open here. If there is a closed parenthesis, what is the value? Open parenthesis. If there is a closed curly brace, and what is the value here? Open curly brace here. If there is a closed square bracket, and what is the value? Open square bracket. Next after that, for character in S here. Okay. Assume here I give the data like this one. S equals to left curly brace, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, left square bracket and right square bracket. Assume here I give the data like this one. For character in S, okay. First of all, the character take the left parenthesis. Okay, this taking left parenthesis. If char in mapping dot values. Okay, mapping dot values is nothing but all these are the values are there. This is the first value, second value, third value, and these values are there. Left parenthesis, left curly brace, and the left square bracket. All these are the values are there. Whether the character is presented in these values or not, yes, it is available. Whenever it is available, then stack dot append character. We have to add this character to the stack here. What is this character? Left parenthesis. That is added to the stack. That will be added to the stack here. After that, again go to the for loop. The character will take the next one here. What is next character here? The next character is the closed parenthesis here. The next closed parenthesis is in the mapping dot values. Okay, whether it is in the mapping dot values. No, it is not in the mapping dot values. The condition has been failed. Next, go with the second condition. What is second condition? Else if the character is in the mapping dot keys here. What are the keys? Are the keys are right parenthesis, right curly brace, and the right square bracket here. Yes, it is matching with the key value. Okay, it is matching with the key value. Right parenthesis here. In this point of view, if not stack, yes, the stack is not the empty, or a mapping dot character is not equivalent to stack of pop. Okay, what is the stack of pop? Mapping dot character is nothing but for this one the mapping character is the left parenthesis is not equivalent to stack dot pop value. What is stack dot pop value means this will be removed, and this character is the left parenthesis is not equal to left parenthesis. The condition is false. Okay, whenever the condition is false, this will not be executed. After that, again go to the for loop. It is taking the next character. Okay, now the character is a left square bracket. Okay, now the character is a left square bracket. Come this one here. If char in mapping dot values, whether the left square bracket is in the values or not. Yes, it is in the values here. Now this will be added to the stack dot append character. Now this is added to the stack here. Now this will be added to the stack. After that, again go to the for loop. We are taking the next character. What next character here? The next character is the right square bracket. Okay, the next character is the right square bracket here. Right square bracket is in the mapping dot values. Okay, it is not in the mapping dot values. The condition is false. Next, come this one here. Right square bracket is in the mapping dot keys. Yes, it is in the mapping dot keys here. Then in this point of view, if not stack, whether stack is empty, no. Okay, next, mapping dot character. For this one, what is the mapping character here? The mapping character is the left square bracket, not equals to stack dot pop. What is stack value? This is the stack value that will pop here. Left square bracket is not equal to left square bracket. The condition is false. This will not be executed. After that, again go to the for loop. Okay, there are no characters out there. And finally, what is the length of the stack here? All the elements are removed here. The value is 0. 0 equals to 0. Yes, the condition is true. Okay, means it is a valid one. It is a valid one. Okay, observe this code here. The key and value parenthesis. The key is a right parenthesis. Value is a left parenthesis. The key is a curly brace, right curly brace, and this is a left curly brace. Means while reading the character from the string, first we check that whether it is in the values. Okay, if it is the values, add it to stack. If it is in the values, add it to stack. Otherwise, if it is in the keys here, then we have to map with the corresponding character. If it is not mapping, then return the false value. Means something there may be chance of the not map here. Here the even though the stack is empty one, then in this point of also we are writing the false value here. Okay, we are returning the false value. Right. In this way, we can solve this problem. Right now, we are trying to running this code here. I am running this code. Yes, it has been accepted successfully. Accepted. It is accepting all the 4 test cases here. Even we can see the test case values also. Yes, that's true. Now I am going to submit the code. Submit. Yes, we beats 100 percentage.